perks for Congress on the way out. Trump will end them. Trump doubles down on healthcare threat. Issues second warning in 3 days about ending congressional healthcare loopholes. Why should Congress not be paying what public pays? In his second threatening tweet in 3 days, President Trump just threatened Congress. He is willing to hit them where it hurts, and they deserve it. Saturday, the president tweeted, "If Obamacare is hurting people, and it is, why shouldn't it hurt the insurance companies, and why should Congress not be paying what public pays?" On Saturday, the president tweeted, "If a new health care bill is not approved quickly, bailouts for insurance companies and bailouts for members of Congress will end very soon." It turns out that members of Congress are not subject to Obamacare like the rest of us, and if they don't get off their asses and pass a new health care bill soon, President Trump is going to eliminate the loophole that allows Congress to be exempt from Obamacare. Can we hear a heck yes? That is perfect. Anyone who doubts that the president will actually follow through and do it, must have had their head in the sand for the past 6 months. The Wall Street Journal reports. Mr. Trump's statement came less than 2 days after the collapse in the Senate of Republicans' effort to overturn the Affordable Care Act. For months, Mr. Trump has threatened to stop reimbursements to insurance companies, a part of the ACA, but his administration has always paid them in the end, including amid significant uncertainty in June and at a crucial moment in GOP negotiations just a week ago in July. The next set of payments, which total millions of dollars for insurers that have lowered deductibles and other out-of-pocket costs for the poorest enrollees in coverage under the law also known as Obamacare, is due in 3 weeks. Mr. Trump's Saturday tweet came on the heels of several others expressing his disappointment that GOP senators had so far failed to come together around a single piece of legislation that would fulfill a shared campaign pledge of repealing the ACA and enacting their own set of proposals in its place. What is really insane is the way Congress has been getting away with this to begin with. This is a perfect example of another shady deal from the Obama administration. Here's how the trickery works now. The Independent Journal Review writes, in the FAPE, under Section 8901(6) of Title V, the health plans must be group plans. So, no problem, OPM certified the DC Shop Exchange, reserved for firms with fewer than 50 employees, as the health insurance exchange for Congress. All Congress had to do was to somehow turn itself into a small business, with fewer than 50 employees. And, incredibly, that is exactly what unnamed congressional bureaucrats did. They submitted paperwork identifying each chamber of Congress as a small business, employing 45 people apiece. In other words, the government is using government loopholes to cheat the government. Wow. Just wow. If you agree with President Trump and think he should end the loophole giving Congress a better healthcare plan than the rest of America, please share this on Facebook and Twitter.